Grayson, are you gonna wake up? Are you so sleepy? You're giggly. You wanna get dressed? No, get up. You wanna go have waffles? Wake up. You want snuggle, snuggle? Is that what you said? Snuggle, snuggle. Come on, let's snuggle, snuggle you. Okay. Snuggle, snuggle. Where do you want me to snuggle you? On your back? Okay. Snuggle, snuggle. Can you wake up now? Want me snuggled? Your back? You want me to tickle your back? Do you want to go bye-bye? Are you going to get up so we can go bye-bye? Snuggle, snuggle. It's time to wake up. You don't want to get up? You want to snuggle, snuggle? Okay. Snuggle, snuggle. Big hug. Ugh. I snuggled. Are you ready to get up? Snuggle, snuggle. Oh my. Are you gonna wake up? Oh my. That's right. Little snuggle girl. You gonna wake up? Are you ready to wake up? Grayson night night. No, they said Grayson wake up, not Grayson night night. Grayson night night. No. Let's go. Let's wake up. Can you wake up and go bye-bye? Oh, you're not gonna wake up, are you? Come on with mommy. Let's go change our clothes. Grayson night night. Grayson doesn't want to wake up?
No.
Okay. We gotta wake up so we can go bye-bye. Okay. How about you can go night-night in the car?